Gang, I ain't tell nobody this, but shit, I smacked a deer a couple weeks ago. It was like 2 deers. Finna swap this shit. Oh yeah. Yeah, you see it? Man, you swapping this motherfucker. Yeah, gang, you see it? Watch out, couple hours. Next shit, angle kit. Swap the mounts. Yeah, man. You see it? Good wood, good wood. So far, man, got the head off. I'm doing the damn fucking head gasket. Had a problem, bro. Shit was leaking right here somewhere. Head look clean as a bitch. You can't say that. Head look clean as a bitch, boy. Yeah. It's so far progress. Let me show y'all something. Got my radio in there. Gotta put my steering wheel in. Slight shit. The reason I took the steering wheel out because I ain't feel like getting my key program to this car because I got tuned and shit. Slight work. Only thing left for real, steering wheel. Motor ready going. Damn, my point finder sucks. This shit not working. You can't tell me this shit not wet. You tell me this shit not wet. With the inbox. Yeah, my camera sucks. I can't even get a good angle of this bitch. But yeah, old whip. I learned how to drift on this shit. Tapped hella shit. It's okay though. Yeah, nigga got bars now though, blood. Yeah, man. This is like the first shit I tapped. You can't tell me this shit not hard. This shit too wet. Yeah, let y'all know what's up. Lost motivation on this shit for a couple days because, you know what I'm saying, we had a little title problem. And we got that situated. Now we back on track. This shit look nice. ARP head studs. GHP cams. Yeah, this shit ready. Man, look, man. Found another wood, you know what I'm saying? Lit another wood. Finally got the steering column, man. This shit was more harder than I expected. Surely more harder than I expected. You know what I'm saying? It's coming together. I'm hella lazy. I was gonna clean this bitch up, but I don't know. Finna face this wood. See how I feel after that. Gotta swap the brake pedal. The brake pedal is hella fat. Automatic brake pedal. That shit coming together though, blood. Look at that shit wet. Yeah, bro, man, that shit was too hard. Probably fucked it up, but it's okay, you know, as long as that bitch on, steering column locked in, you know what I'm saying? Can't trip. Next thing is swap the mounts. Stock ass mounts. Got that poly shotty. You know what I'm saying? Light shit. Yeah, this is really a bucket, bro. This shit held water for a long time. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like mold. After like for a while, I just stopped driving it. Cause sunroof leak. Hey, look, that's the biggest thing. No sunroof. Let me know. Where do you see another slick top E46? Let me know when you find one. You're not gonna find it. Bro, this was a runner. This was my runner for a good minute. I had them backseat stand for a minute, but after a while, took them out. This shit was a bucket. Sorry though. It's the new bit. It's the new bit. You know what I'm saying? Oh my god. Look at that shit. 9.5. Oh my god. Let's talk about. Good one. Yeah, this one is a straight roller. This shit really ready to get to the scrap. Only thing really got to take out now from this is the gear shifter. You know what I'm saying? That I forgot what brand that is, but that's him. That's him. I had problems before. After that, that's him. But yeah. Let me take a step back. Let me not trip. Let's have a shit. Let me turn the tummy. This shit not wet. You know, I just actually, you know what I'm saying? Oh shit, you know what I'm saying? Good ass, you know what I'm saying? Yo, another day, next day. You know what I'm saying? Just got for work. What time it is about right now? Probably like 2 o'clock. Every day's a good day when you got the wood. Can't even cap. Matter of fact, let me show you what we're smoking on. Smoking on something. Oh shit. Damn, I got shit. Man, that's fucking life story right there, bro. Fuck. But yeah, you see it. Head's mounted on, torque down. Got that bitch on. But had to take a little break from this bitch. Got another car to work on. Let me take that down and see it, bro. Right here. Yeah, man. Take a little break, work on this one. Fucking air compressor. This shit will turn on. I'm not coming down here with the camera. Where we at so far? All the parts right here. See the motor, transmission now. Slight work. Got going today, man. I never worked on these bitches, bro, but they're cool. I never liked them. They're like, yeah, I need a .5 camera. I really need a .5 camera because this shit is ass. But yeah, I ain't really like 240s. They're like shit boxes. No offense. They're like spray cans. You ride in them, everything vibrates. Yeah, my fault for the toolbox, bro. Just how we work. We get shit done though. But yeah. Talking about he want me to replace the top. I don't know how to replace the top, bro. I'm gonna look into it. This top is kind of trash. Yo, this shit was holding water today. It was raining yesterday. We came push it in here. This shit had hella water. That shit was crazy, bro. In my car. Yeah, good wood. Never stressing. Man, I really need a .5 camera because this shit is ass. Yeah, gang. It's been a minute since I recorded this shit again, but you know, everything put together, wired up. Yeah, they put together, transmission in, water diff and all that. But but no crank. So I'm gonna go through it, look through the wirings, all I did. And yeah. Shit, I don't know where. I'm thinking it's the wiring, so I'm gonna go through with a test light again and make sure all shit got connection. After that, if that don't work, my boyfriend pull up with his little computer, see what the coding. That's probably what I'm thinking. But yeah, I mean, this shit pumping fuel, no problem, blood. I just don't know at this right now. It's been like 2-3 days, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah. Let's see what's up.
Hey! Yo,
What the fuck, son?
Oh yeah.
Made it out, bro. On me, bro. This nigga finally did that. Throw the setup.